Hey guys, so we are just testing out this acrylic liquid powder that I got from Amazon. I think I seen it on Instagram, but I didn't want to order stuff from there because I don't know, I don't like to order stuff on that app. But Carrie's gonna be putting it on for me, and it's a liquid, and it comes with, what is this? Acrylic powder. And she already put on top here the color of this one. It's just a plain lavender one. It comes with monomer and then a brush, a dipping dish, and 3 powders. And this one would be this color over here. And we got the third water is purple. Okay, so Carrie did some of my fingers already, so she put the colors on. We just was testing it, so we might as well put it on all my fingers. So that's the colors. We're not done yet, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Hey guys, so I did see this same brand on Instagram, and they were selling it really cheap, but I didn't want to purchase something on that site, so I went on Amazon, found the same brand, and thought I would give it a try, and it seems to work well. At this time, we just were trying it out to see what colors it came in, and we just kind of put it on my fingernails because my fingernails are so thin that it breaks every time it gets a little bit long, or it just kind of bends. But yeah, it's overall a nice acrylic powder if you like working with that. So I'll try again when these come off, and yeah, we'll see you in my next upload. Hope you all enjoyed this video.